Hang out with us today. We're gonna roll a fire ring. So this one's going to be 36 inches. So we are 113 inches and 113 and a half inches to the right height. Let's turn it on. Let's turn the pump on. And let's get this roll here lifted up. With it up, I'm gonna now take my steel and I'm just gonna square it up to that other roller. Just like that, we know it's square. Now I'm gonna pinch it. We'll bring the pinch up, and this is going to basically lock her in place. I'm gonna lower this roller down, and then I'm also going to reverse the pinch roller and get center of my roll. My leading edge is centered of my pinch roll and my top roll. Here I'm adding my pre-bend. We're gonna run it through about 10 inches or so. Now we raised the far roll, and we lower this roll, and I'm gonna start rolling it, see what happens. Well, there's a Chasson Smoke 36-inch fire ring. I got a little wabi-sabi right here, but I know how to fix that now. So let's do another one.